Hello, in front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurement, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly, and then, while you're measuring your heart rate, try to keep still rather. Don't move around too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor, right here, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Here, scroll through the menu, find the option called HR, the heart rate, and tap on it. And now the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor. And after a couple of seconds, the watch will vibrate and you will see the results on the screen. You can also scroll down right here to see the graph of the measurements, the whole day basically. And once you're done, press the side button to go back. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.